Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can pin text message conversations to the tab on your iPhone iOS 14. What you need to do is just open your Messages app, then tap on Edit, and tap on Edit Pins. Then tap on yellow pin icons next to the conversations that you want to move to the tab, and tap on Done. And if you want to unpin them, then tap on Edit, Edit Pins, and tap on minus. And done. That's how you can pin and unpin text message conversations on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.